In iOS latest version, as you can see, if I open Control Center here, to open my cellular network, I have to tap on this widget and then I have to tap on cellular data. So sometimes it's very annoying to enable cellular from your Control Center on your iPhone, right? So in this video, I will show you how you can easily add cellular icon or cellular control to your Control Center to easily enable or disable cellular from your Control Center. First of all, you have to open your Control Center and now hard press anywhere, and now just tap on add a control, and here tap on the search controls box and type here cellular data. So all you have to need add cellular data. Once it's added, you can drag it to change its position. Also, you can resize this cellular icon and then just tap anywhere to save changes. And as you can see, I've successfully added the cellular data on my Control Center, and now I can directly open my Control Center to enable cellular. I don't need to tap on this widget and tap on the cellular data option to turn on it. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.